Hello everyone, welcome to LOTOS channel. This is Abby on the host today. I'm in the workshop. There is one new Purlin machine has been built up in our factory, which can make a different size in one. Right now, just follow my camera. I'd like to show you it step by step. Firstly, let's start from the decoller part. So here is the hydraulic decoller combined with loading cart. Due to the thickness of this profile is up to 4 millimeters, so we combine with hydraulic one combined with the press arm to press the material, and we can check the thickness. It's 4 millimeters. This is the loading cart. It is motorized decoller hydraulic expansion. This is the support arm to sensor. Then let's come to the forming unit. The forming unit, as we can see in the video, it combined with casting pillar stand and gearbox transmission. Here is the gearbox. Since the thickness is up to 4 millimeters, so we combined with 7 roller leveling to make the sheet more flat coming to the forming unit. This is the first roller station. Then here is the online punching unit with 2 stations. We can check the die. Die 1, die 2. Then it will come to the reform unit. As I said before, this machine can make multiple sizes. But this one, we didn't choose auto size change. We choose to change the spacer to adapt the different size. We can check this is a spacer. When we need a different size, we just take out this spacer and put it here and move this roller together with this. Same here, we can check the spacer. So this is the solution how we make multiple Purlin machine in this line. And we can check the forming roller. And over there it's the servo motor. The motor power is 22 kW. And all the casting pillar surface here, we all do the milling, and the key way to make all the casting pillar stands in a line to improve the accuracy. Here are our customer profile on it, and this is the encoder. The cutting unit we combined with hydraulic stop cutting, and we used to change different blade to fit different size. Then let's check from this side. We can check the transmission solution. It is gearbox. And here is the operation cabinet we combined with MISPACE control system. The motor power of this hydraulic pump station is 7.5. So here is the general view of this 4mm multiple C purlin machine. If you have similar demands or requests, just let us know. We are here to offer you more information and details. And see you next time. Bye.